Hi there, Angela Pratt with BWTP. I hope your day's going well. Listen, I'm just going to just give you a few tidbits today in regards to what are we doing as a leader when while we have this downtime. Obviously, we're getting lots of webinars, lots of information, lots of continuing education that helps us prepare just really as a dentist, but now going through COVID and post-COVID. So I just have a few slides to share with you, 2 to 3 minutes of information that can just maybe generate some thought and some awareness of what you can be doing from a leadership and a practice owner perspective while we have some downtime. So I'm hopeful that this just gives you a little bit more education and awareness. So leadership takeaway, what kind of leader will you be? You are the one really kind of steering the ship, even though we don't have that map right now. And we've got these detour signs that continue to happen. You're getting bits and pieces of information that allow you to make the best decision today, right? But looking at while you have the downtime, what are some things that you can do to get your practice, to get your files, to get your team, to get your communication organized? So we'll just talk about a few things from that perspective. This is a time when we think of talk about business meetings. Obviously, I'm hosting this through Zoom. There's many other formats that can allow you to see a person's face or just even host a business phone call. Looking at your accounting meetings, obviously, we're trying to wrap up tax time. We've got some loans that are out for our practices now that are helping us recover from this. BWTP serves as a great resource for those questions and those challenges and concerns. Bank credit lines, how are those being handled? Do we even have a line of credit? Where are we in regards to what our portfolio looks like from a business perspective? And just getting all that handled. Ensuring all employee files are up to date. Many times as a practice coach, I can look at, we'll just take a general scan of the files and help the practice owners understand that there are resources from employment resources that help us understand as a practice owner and as an employer, our employee files need to be up to date. Getting your business streamlined to say Dropbox, resources, links, video, training, something like this. Employee manuals, just accountability agreements, things like that can be streamlined through Dropbox. Is a great time to be doing something like that. And I always say, reach out and connect. I was just on a client call yesterday and we had a great conversation, but it was just, it was so nice to hear the client talk about, I'm getting this information through our webinars and our vendors, but it was so nice just to, really kind of compare notes to another dentist that's going through the very same thing and just how they're handling it and what their perspective is. Had a positive influence on clients. Working on your marketing plan. What kind of marketing plan do you have right now? So what are you going to have after COVID, during COVID and after COVID? That's something that you've got time to work on right now. And we do help our clients with some of that information and just the different formats that might be available to help you certainly get that objective. Completing any dental treatment or any cases that you've got to get worked up, right, before treatment actually begins. This is a great time to take that time to do that, get those finished so that you're not rushed when it comes time to ramp up for practice with patients again. And then, looking at how do we stay connected as a team. I had a client yesterday said, we've been using the GroupMe, we've been using some other resources to reach out to our teams, but I'll tell you, a handwritten note goes a long, long way. You're in this, they're in it with you. You don't have answers, they don't have answers, but what they do want to know is that you, with gratitude, are so appreciative of their patience, as you, appreciative of you as a leader, and just their loyalty and their commitment. And then that's what really you hope to have from them in moving forward. So these are just a few tidbits that can help you get organized from a practitioner standpoint, as a business owner standpoint, and so we're hopeful that you'll take that information and hopefully it'll be a great resource for you. So again, we appreciate you listening. We're happy that you joined us. We hope you have an amazing day. Stay safe and be well.